In this guide, we'll show you how to prevent kids from downloading games from the Play Store. If this tutorial helps, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. One effective way to do this is by setting up a lock on the Play Store. Let's walk through how to do that. Start by opening the Play Store app on your device. Then, scroll to the bottom and tap on the search icon. Search for an app called App Lock to get started. Once you find the app you want to use, download and install it. After installation, open the app. You'll be asked to set up a PIN. Go ahead and choose one and grant the app the necessary permissions to function. After that, tap on the search icon inside the app and look for the Play Store. If you can't find it immediately, it might already be locked, so check the list of apps. Once you see it, you can tap on it to lock it. To unlock the app later, simply click the padlock icon. Now, when you try to access the Play Store, it will ask for the PIN you set earlier, preventing any unauthorized downloads. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips.